Where'd your Lego lady go? Oh no, I fell in the peas. Help me get out of here. Can you let her eat something? Give her something to eat. Can you give her a pea? Give the Lego lady a pea. Did she fall in? Say, here you go, lady. You have one. Give her a pea. Give her one. Give one to the lady. Say, she wants one. The lady wants one. Are you giving her pizza? Can you give her a pea? Or some avocado? Oh, you're going to eat it. Oh, you're going to give her avocado. Oops, you're going to eat it. What's that? Some turkey? You going to give it to the lady? Oh, you're going to eat it. Is it good? You have a lot of food in your mouth? Can you say, mmm? Can you give the lady a pea?